Hey, it's your friend and colleague, hypnotist John Sibone, once again on here, mentioning to you that I'll be working joyfully at the National Guild of Hypnotists Educational Conference and Convention this summer in August at Marlborough, Massachusetts, bringing you my very best, hosting a couple of different programs throughout the convention, and then an 8-hour program which I'm really excited about called Future Hypnotic Mastery Methods, your future breakthrough techniques for your practice that you need. These techniques are based on my wisdom, my experience, my learning, and me adapting things in my practice for over 3 decades. I've written 3 best-selling books. I've taught at numerous conferences around the world, and I'm bringing you years and years of experience in my work as a professional clinical hypnotist to bring your session results to a new level. Ideas and techniques I've had, for example, that will allow your client's subconscious mind to become a perpetual, self-improving machine, eliminating resistance, boosting session results, and turbocharging your practice, making you the must-go-to hypnotist in your area to bring session results to a higher place and a better set of results like you've never seen before. Come learn from me, from my experience. Come learn from me the power of instant transformation in a client's life. Come learn from me how to turn the subconscious mind into a self-perpetuating, self-adapting, life improvement machine. You'll learn this and so much more. Take a look at the links at the bottom of this video. Click on the links, and I hope to see you there. Look forward to working with you and bringing you only my very best, as I've always done in my entire career. Come learn from my wisdom. Come learn from my experience. Come learn from my pain and my war stories. Come learn techniques that you will be able to instantly plug into your practice to turbocharge your practice, to improve your practice. This 8-hour workshop is by popular demand. It's an extension of a 2-hour workshop program where the students were telling me, you gave us so much information in 2 hours, and yet there's so much more you can give us. Please share your 8 hours with us. That's what I'm doing here. So come learn from me. Come experience the very best, and come be the best you can be with me, hypnotist John Sibone, at my workshop, Future Hypnotic Mastery Methods, at the National Guild of Hypnotists Educational Conference this August in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I'll see you there. Take a look at the links. Thanks so much.
This summer, the Trance Master is world-famous hypnotist John Sibone.